Hello everyone, I'm Andre McClendon, and today I bring you Quant. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, the market information, the news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. Quant QNT is currently trading at $260.74 with a huge market cap of $3.14 billion. So you guys can trade and hodl this cryptocurrency. When it comes to what is Quant, Quant launched in 2018 with the goal of connecting blockchains and networks on a global scale without reducing the efficiency or interoperability of the network. It is the first project to solve the interoperability problem through creation of the first blockchain operating system. Now guys, let's check out what markets they are on. Quant's on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Binance, once again Gate.io, Bittrex, Bybit, Gemini, Uniswap. So they're on a whole bunch of different platforms. You can check out the list. I will have this posted below to see where you guys can be able to trade it. Look at the trading volume, see how many transactions, or how many, if there's a bunch of transactions and liquidity there is. So you guys can trade and hodl this. Now let's look at their ratings, guys. Now Symmetry gave it a rating as of November 8th, 2019 as a B-, so it's pretty good for a cryptocurrency. They gave this one a triple C for stable outlook. If you want to see how they came to their conclusions and understand how they rate cryptocurrencies, please check it out. I read these. I want to see if this is a good or safe cryptocurrency to talk about. If there is no rating, sometimes you're going to have to jump in or go through a lot of different avenues to understand it. But please check out the report. I have it posted below. Let's check out their news, guys. So here's some of their news reports they just had. Some came out 9 days ago, 11 days ago. But for me, guys, when it comes to, I like to look at their Twitter page, which I will show you in a minute. Let's hit it to their main website. So their main website has a lot of the information. So if you are learning or want to know more about it, check out their website so you can understand more. Don't dive into any cryptocurrency without being knowledgeable about what it is, what it does, what's their goals, and who their leadership is. It's very important to understand that. Also, guys, here's their Reddit page. So if you want to learn more about it, please check it out. Talk to different people about it, different experiences using it or on their platform. Lastly, for their the news and stuff like that is their Twitter page. They have 61.7 thousand followers. Also, guys, check me out on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. I talk about trading, investing, a lot of politics stuff. So please follow me in there. But let's get to that price prediction. So the last price prediction, I talked about it going to at least $400. So for me, guys, we have been downtrending a little bit for the last couple of days. So for me, this will have definitely hit my buy limit, engaging me in my market entry and my buy limit currently. And now I would say the best thing we have to do is wait this trade out, because if the goal for me is $400, just about right here, and it already engaged my buy limit, I have my stop losses all the way down here in this zone. Let's put a little box for that. So if your stop loss is down here, since I'm trading it, then I will be waiting for this trade to fulfill. And if it goes up higher above these highs, I will make sure I will lock in my trade by moving my stop loss above my entry, locking in that trade. So if it goes higher to the 340s, 360s, 380s, and then eventually 400, then I can keep all those profits and ride that trend up. I'm a trend trader. I like trading over hodling. But if I'm going to hodl this, guys, this is exactly what I would do. I would enter on basically every single low point on a steady period. And I use an example in my other videos, and I'll use it on this one. So if I'm trading, if I'm hodling when it comes to Quant, and I had a job that paid me every single Friday, I'll use X amount of that and buy it every single Friday, removing the emotion in trading so I don't get stuck out, I don't get hit with FOMO. I make sure I take profits at certain levels, like by moving my stop loss. When I'm hodling, I'll take profits at the $320 level, the $340 level. Basically, every $20 up until the $400, I'll start exiting profits, and then I'll let it run. A lot of traders that I meet, they hodl, but they never take profits. They never realize those gains. And eventually, it can keep going up, or it might be one of those cryptocurrencies that goes down and hits zero. You don't want to be in that position and not take profits. So for me, guys, I take profits. I've studied. I have planned profit points. For you, if you guys are trading this, please have a set of plan for entry and exit, and how you're going to hold it if it does X, Y, and Z. Make a plan. But that's my price suggestion, guys, $400. Let's see how it goes. But let's get to my website. Here's my website again, andrejmcclennan.com. This is the front page, guys. If you guys want to have a book a meeting with myself, learn more about cryptocurrencies, tradings, and Forex, please book a session with myself. Or you guys go to my crypto page, look at some things about opening a stock account, cryptocurrency account. And here's some things I have to post for you guys. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.